riding motorcycles, we do not want to look through a windshield. And the reason is because light will refract. Instead, we want to look over the top of windshields. The windshield's too tall, we need to reduce the size. So I'm going to cut this down for my height. I'm 6 feet. So I'm taking this gauge, you buy this at Rockler, and it measures exactly 1 inch, and I'm going to cut 1 inch off and see if that works for me. After I made the line, I'm going to take a pencil, I'm going to fill in the groove so it's easier to see when I'm cutting it. So after I filled this line up with the pencil, I got to the end and I feathered it to the side, and then I went to the other side and I feathered it. And honestly, nobody's going to notice the imperfections. I taped up a towel and a tarp to keep debris from getting all over the bike. Dremel, and by the way, I love my Dremel. Well, it exploded on me. Now I'm taking a wet piece of Emery cloth and I'm going to polish it. With the Dremel, there are two types of cutting discs, this original style with a small hole and this easy lock style. This easy locked style, no tools required, clamps on, it's very nice. This original style has this tiny hole and these discs break all the time. And this style also requires a screwdriver to tighten and loosen the screw. And all that force is on that little hole. And these screws I have lost. The easy lock style, push down, it clamps on, much more sturdy of a design. Conclusion, to do this project, I recommend buying this easy lock style and avoiding that style.